Hey TPT sellers, I just discovered this week that I am making a mistake when updating products. I wanted to share this with you because I didn't realize what was happening and I want to make sure that this isn't happening to you too. Hey, if we haven't met yet, I am Phoenix and I own the TPT store, The Tattooed Piano Teacher. I've been selling on TPT for a couple of years, and over the years, of course, I have updated products, either if I find that they have a mistake in them or they just need a refresher. I am often doing product updates. As you know, when you make an update to a product, you go into that product, click edit, delete the old file, replace it with the new file, scroll down, hit save, and you're good to go, right? Well, I discovered that when I was doing this, sometimes it wasn't saving the new file. The way that I discovered this was that I got an email from a customer saying that there was a mistake in the product, and I remembered fixing that mistake months ago. So I went into the product and I hit download, and sure enough, even though I had uploaded the new file and hit save and everything looked like it saved, it was still selling the old file. A couple days later, I got another email that said, "Hey Phoenix, just want to let you know that I noticed a mistake on one of your product preview PDFs. It had a picture of a clover, but it said Valentine's Day." Whoops. And I was like, I remember fixing that too. And sure enough, when I opened the file on my computer, it had the correct title. I remember going in, clicking edit, uploading it, and clicking save, but it was still showing the old preview file. So how did I fix this? I just tried re-uploading those files again, hit save, and it did work. So it's only happening sometimes. Now, the way that you can check if you update a product file itself is go back to that product page after you've updated it and click download, and then open up that file to confirm that it's the new revised file and not still selling the old file. And of course, to check a preview PDF, you just open up the preview and see if it looks right. Now, why is this happening? I have no idea. It might be just that I stayed on the page too long and it timed out. It could be that it's just my browser or my computer. I don't know. But I just wanted to share this with you because honestly, if people had not told me that they were still getting the mistake version of things, I would have never known to check that. I just trusted that when I updated it and hit save, it was correct, and it wasn't. So just throwing that out there, you might want to double check if you update a product, make sure you download it again, make sure it's the right one. And if you have ever experienced this, or you have an idea of why this might be happening to me, then please comment down below. I love this little community of TPT sellers that we have going on here. Of course, if we can bring each other tips to help us avoid mistakes and do better with our stores, I'm all about that. So be sure to hit that like button, leave a comment below, and if you want to keep watching, I recently made a video all about TPT suggestion pages that you can add to your products, and I will see you on that video or another one very soon. Thanks for watching.